Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. Today we're looking at washi tape. Amanda Rockwell and I teamed up to make these products so that they work together. I have a set of actions and styles, and Amanda created the masking tape to go with it. So we are going to look at how to use these two items together to create your own washi tape. Washi tape is basically just pretty fancy designed tape. So we're going to take a piece of base masking tape here, and we're going to add a paper to it to change the look of it. So here I have already loaded my washi tape actions. I have washi tape 1 and washi tape 2. Some will work better than others depending on what kind of paper you choose. So we are going to go through both of them, and I'm also going to show you how to use the styles that came with it. So click on the first action and press play. Oh, I should mention that you need to have a piece of tape open. You'll get a message here that tells you to open up a masking tape and choose a paper when prompted. And then we're going to resize and position it if desired. So press continue. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose any paper that you have in your stash. And I am looking here at Glorious Vision, the next studio mix from the studio girls at Scrapbook Graphics. And here's a really fun one with a lot of big colorful polka dots. So I'm going to choose that paper and press open. The action is going to place that paper onto the canvas for me. You'll see here the paper shows up, but we need to resize and position it. So what I'm going to do, because I cannot see the transform handles to grab and do that, I can either type in a smaller number up here if I want to. In the taskbar, I could put in 20% there to get that paper smaller. Or if I want, or what I can do is hold in the Shift Command or Shift Control key and press minus. And that will zoom out the entire canvas to where I can see those control handles. Now I can easily grab them and resize. And of course, in Photoshop, you want to hold in your Shift key so it resizes proportionally. And in newer versions of Elements, you don't have to hold in the Shift key. It is automatic. Now you can see here that I could rotate this paper as well by clicking and dragging outside here to get the angle of the tape matched if I wanted to, or you can, be creative with your positioning and placement of it. Now, this particular set of actions will work best with tape that is not that's not been folded or distorted. This works best on the flat tape because of the patterns. So you can use it with any tape that you have. So once you're happy with the placement of your paper, you can press Function Return or Enter, or click the green check mark if you're in Photoshop Elements to apply that change. Then you'll be prompted to save your file. And I'm going to save this as washi tape 1.tiff, and I usually save in TIFF format for a smaller file size. I'm going to click Save. Here you'll see I have LZW compression and zip compression down here, and press OK. Now, if I click on this top layer that's been generated, I can toggle it on and off, and you'll see a difference there. This top layer is providing some additional texture back on top of this paper that's overlaying the base layer. Now, you can play with this texture layer yourself. You can adjust the opacity. If you click and drag there, you can adjust the opacity up or down. You can also play with your blending modes to get a different look. And in addition, what I've done is included style sheets. So if you click on your styles, if you load the styles, then click on your styles palette, you can automatically apply the washi tape 1 style or the washi tape 2 style. And the benefit of this is you don't have to rerun the second action if you just want to see what the other style would look like. So in this case, I kind of like washi tape number 1 better with the darker look. Now, I'm going to show you washi tape number 2 as well. So we're going to click on that and go back to our original piece of tape and press play. We get the same message about pausing and resizing. And I'm going to choose a paper here. And we have the same option here when it comes up to resize our paper. And again, that's Command Shift or Control Shift minus to zoom in or out. Resize our paper, rotate it if we want, press Enter. And again, we're prompted to save it. I will go ahead and save that as Washi Tape 2. And let's zoom back in. Now you'll see here I used a lighter paper with the Washi Tape 2 action, but I can also apply number 1. So that's all there is to it. You can quickly and easily add some interesting effects to your plain masking tape. And I hope this tutorial has been useful. Thanks for watching this episode of Learn It.